Hey guys, welcome back to Engineers Club. Today I'll show you how to open a web browser using just a Python script. So let's get to know this function which is called web browser. Okay, this is web browser. So there's a library called web browser, and there are functions which are like open, new open, and so on. We can explore that. I'll give a link to the description. So what is web browser? Web browser.open is a function where you can just paste the URL you want to open, like www.google. I'm just gonna open Google for the instruction purpose, and that's it. This link would open Google. So let me just save this program quickly. Okay, I would use anything, just test.py. So you can see that it's got saved, and when I run this program, oops, why it's not running? Right, did you get the bug? Why isn't it running? So the compiler in Python does not understand what a web browser is. So I need to specify what a web browser is, and for that I need to import web browser. Cool. Now when I import web browser, it understands that web browser is a library. I have imported that, and after that I am using the open function. I'm using the open function of the web browser library, and it opens the link. So let's check it out now. Okay, check my desktop. Cool, it opens up. So here I have kept some documentation about web browser. So you can see that web browser, this thing, web browser.open, it actually opens the URL. You're giving the URL here and it gets opened. This is web browser.open new. It's used to open the window in a new tab, in a new window, sorry. And web browser.open new tab, it opens the URL you're providing on the default browser in a new tab. Cool. So that's how you can open Python. You can open your web browser using Python. Hope you like this video. We will make a project with this soon.